Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I've got a new listing to show you in the Carmichael community. It's in Southwest Boise. I'm going to take you to the house right now, show you this beautiful front entry. It's such a nice little neighborhood here. Little water feature over here with a little park bench. Now the subject property is actually back behind this fence right here. So you'll see how these beautiful trees kind of canopy it, give it lots of shade. And you've got this awesome front entry here. Take down my windows here. Super quiet neighborhood. That's the back of the house right there, actually. The huge covered patio. This great neighborhood. I've lived here in the past. Know some people in here. Great neighborhood. So very close to Boise Ranch, Falcon Crest Golf Course, 2 different Albertsons, and one of my favorite pizza joints, 3 Wood Pizza, right down the hill. And there's our subject property I'm going to tell you more about. Good afternoon, I'm Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 11610 West Carmichael Street in Southwest Boise in the beautiful Carmichael subdivision. It's a smaller neighborhood, only about 120, 130 homes total, all custom built primarily between 2004 and 2008. I like that the community has some elevation to it, kind of gently slopes down a hill to a big community park area with play structure, a full court basketball, etc. And close to golf courses, the new Albertsons, not far from the Y, etc. So this particular house has 3,233 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and more. Notice that we've got a 50-foot driveway here. Very extensive, stamped concrete, room to park cars 3 deep if you wanted to. And it's stamped concrete in great condition. Custom paint job here with stucco accents and the nice stone here at the front. Over the entryway, 4 different colors, all very complimentary. Security system, new rain gutters, painted fence. You've got the concrete etching around it here as well, a nice landscaping. Curbing is the word I was looking for. Sorry, it's trash day today, so we got the trash cans out. It's got the lamp post right out here at front also. Again, all custom built homes in here. And yours truly actually used to live here as well. So beautiful wood door, front entry. Nice and tall here. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, as we enter the house, first thing you'll notice is the real tile floor here, approximately 7 foot across by 10 feet with the cathedral ceiling in here. All brand new paint on the inside. Coat closet off to the right, conveniently located. And off to my left is a den / formal dining room. Nice architectural touches, 9-foot ceiling. There are a total of 9 ceiling fans throughout the house. So very good job there. All new white electrical outlets to match throughout the house. Huge family room for any size furniture. Sometimes when a house is vacant, it's hard to kind of picture where your furniture will go. But look at the measurements on the website, rockidaho.com, or on the MLS, and you'll see that this should accommodate any size furniture in here. And again, vaulted. Master bedroom is directly over there, but first let's go to the kitchen area, which was remodeled about 5 or 6 years ago. Custom cabinetry. This was all added on to match the existing cabinets that were in here. Beautiful subway tile, backsplash, granite with the rough edge on there. Beautiful cabinets. I like the fact these cabinets are kind of a timeless color. GE appliances, gas range, has the pot filler. Love that. Under cabinet lighting. There's a double oven over here. The fridge is included, and I'm told it has some sort of plug-in capability for a cappuccino maker. I don't know if that's installed currently or not, but nice fancy refrigerator here. Notice the rope accents up here on the crown molding. I love the extra deep sink, little divider area there. The disposal, huge stainless steel faucet here, sprayer with the soap dispenser as well. And then the GE dishwasher. Then you've got a nice big corner pantry here that has outlets as well, which is very handy. Now this over here, now notice the real hardwood floors in here extensively, beautiful. Private backyard because there's no rear neighbors. And the community keeps up all these beautiful trees. So you have this canopy of shade back there, which is awesome. And then off of the dining area, we have this additional, this could be a bedroom, it could be a den. I mean, it could be a formal dining. You can kind of do whatever you want to do with it. A tech room, guest bedroom. It's got the French doors coming off of that, but they're solid, which is great for privacy or whatever. You could even make mega pantry in here if you wanted to. All right, so here's kind of a full view there. And I don't normally go outside next, but since we're right here, I want to show you. See how quiet it is. Huge, nearly full length of the back of the house, covered patio, beautiful wood fence, storage shed. Notice all the shade out here, and it's only like 10 o'clock in the morning. This direction here is east, and so you're going to get this shaded all afternoon. Got the ceiling fans, the TV stays. It's also wired for a hot tub over here. So you can tell that the owners had a hot tub here previously. And just very low maintenance yards. Side yard here, meticulously maintained. Notice they did a very professional job here by cutting in around the vents. And then the cover that they used, I love the fact that it's letting light in. And they've got security cameras up here as well. All right, let's go back inside. Okay, back inside now. And I keep talking about storage. So you've got the coat closet here. You had that room off the dining. You've got additional storage here. Lots of built-in cabinets. We've got the laundry room over here. Huge space. It's also plumbed for a sink if you'd like one. Got the little mudroom bench there. And a very convenient half bath off of the laundry space. I think the original owner kind of had this set up as a salon. So this was a nice space here for that. Even have a cable outlet down there. And notice the central vac as well that is installed. And guess what? Additional storage space. And this room leads out to the garage as well, which the owner has some storage out there. But that has 10-foot ceilings and has the central vac and water softener. Okay, heading into the master bedroom. Huge bedroom. It's approximately, I think it was 20 by 16 or 17, something like that. Got it on the PDF of the floor plan. Your ceiling fan here. This has its slider out to the private rear deck. The only one out there is the bird on the fence. There she is. She's chirping away. This heads into the master with the tile flooring. 2 vanities. Oh, yours truly in the photo. I don't want to do that. Here, let me squeeze out there. Custom medicine cabinets that have been installed, plus the corner unit there. The Venetian gold granite in here, nice and thick too. And they've got the huge corner jetted tub, the obscured glass window, the private commode has the door and a window, and an awesome walk-in closet with lots of built-ins and carpet in there. Then it also features the shower that has a huge bench seat there and a grab bar, detachable sprayer head, and additional built-in shelves here, here, and here. Okay. Now, one of the owner's favorite features about this house, besides the amount of space and bedrooms, is the split plan. So we're leaving the master on this side of the house. And on this side of the home here, forgot to turn the light, there we go. For privacy, you've got the 2 additional spacious bedrooms over here. Again, ceiling fans in all the rooms. There's 9 total. Closet space here. Full bath with the granite countertops. Actually, not sure if this is granite or quartz in this bathroom. The vinyl flooring in here. Shower tub combo. And guess what? More storage with lots of built-in shelving. That's one area where a lot of builders try to skimp, and they'll just put 1 shelf in a lot of these closets, where here they really done a nice job. Now notice that this house has the Sun Valley texturing, which is the favorite right now. There's a built-in desk area in here with an additional light that was added. The bifolds to the closet with built-ins. A lower hanging bar and an upper, well done. And here you can see the side yard as well. Again, low maintenance with the curbing. No neighbor staring into your backyard here. And your shed. Now, I believe it is time to head upstairs. Okay, so we're heading up. I like the fact that there's a grab bar here, and on the way down there's 2. It's probably one of the best floor plans I've ever seen for somebody looking for a lot of rooms. This is the bonus room upstairs. Notice the pool table here, and there's plenty of space to actually hold a cue stick and play. Also notice that sometimes in these bonus rooms, they would bring the ceiling down very low, and it wasn't very functional. Where in this particular room, I'll go somewhere else for a second. This is to the west here, the Oahe Mountains range over there. And you've got this 8-foot ceilings in here with a double closet. So really a nice multi-purpose room here. More built-ins. The other closet looks the same. And notice that there is a door here as well, which is nice. So you could set this up as a theater room, bonus room, guest bedroom, pool table room, whatever you want. More storage. Looking for the light switch. This is the light switch game. I don't know where. There we go. Huge closet upstairs. And over here, we have the next bedroom. This bedroom's smaller. I think it was like about 9 by 10 or 11 by 9. I've got the measurements online again. The bifolds here that give you more space. Ceiling fan with remote. Up here. Next bedroom is about the same. Has the slanted ceiling in here. Your closet area. And again, the guest bathroom up here with the granite and tile backsplash. Shower tub combo. Vent fan. And I think that pretty much concludes it. I'm going to now drive you around the neighborhood and show you the park real quick. Okay, so we're gonna be leaving the property now. And this is kind of the elevation thing I was telling you about. Sorry it's trash the other day, so everyone's got their ugly trash can sitting out, but this is kind of the rim over here on the west side of the neighborhood. Takes you down to the park area, which is off to the right. But as you can see, great pride of ownership here. You don't have a, oh, better get my seatbelt on. You don't see a lot of cars on the street here. People parking in their garage or on their driveway, which is nice. Big, beautiful custom homes here. Several of these are, 3,500 square feet up to 5,000 square feet in here. Very well maintained. Not a high turnover rate of homeowners in here. And this takes you down to the private park. Over here. Which I don't remember the exact acreage on it. I think it was approximately 3-acre park or 5 acres, something like that. I'll find that out and put that on the MLS. But just a nice little community park here. Has the children's play structure there. Huge field down here to throw the football or play some soccer. We've got the full court basketball over there. And then you just have a little water retention pond, which is nice and safe. They've got a fence put around that. Now I'm going to take you, I think that actually concludes the tour. Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. If you have any additional questions, ask your realtor. I'm sure they'd be happy to find out from you. If you're not working with anybody, feel free to give me a call. 208-340-0000. Bye.